Now that the cake is crusted, I'm going to take the opportunity to smooth it. And I'm just using a fondant smoother here. You can use your hands if you'd like. Give it that paper towel smoothing. And usually if I'm smoothing a cake that's going to be just decorated in buttercream, I use a non-patterned paper towel. But since this is going to be covered in fondant, any paper towel will do. It doesn't matter if it leaves little circles or little diamond prints on there. That little bit of print will be so light that that won't show through on your fondant. So don't worry too much about that. Now you could make this cake in buttercream. Once you've got all of this smoothed, of course, you would have a thicker layer of icing, and then you would smooth it. And you could just pipe on a collar and a tie and a pocket and be done. But we're going to take it a step further today. So once that's smoothed to your satisfaction, then I would actually let this sit a little bit longer. We let it sit for about 15 minutes in order to let the icing crust. Once it's crusted and smoothed, if you have the opportunity after you've smoothed it, it's a good idea to let it crust for a couple hours longer, just because then your icing is going to be nice and firm. So when you go to put your fondant on there, you're not going to have buttercream shifting around underneath your fondant. And that looks good and smooth, so we're going to set this aside and let it crust a little bit longer. Alright, now I've rolled out some fondant. We've chosen to use ivory today, but obviously you can use whatever color you'd like. And this is just rolled to probably about the thickness of, say, 2/4. So this is ready to go on our cake, which has been allowed to crust. So that's all ready to go. We're just going to take and actually